Today, I want to talk about how to deactivate your PAYONEER card. Whether you've lost your card, it's been stolen, or you simply no longer need it, it's important to know how to deactivate it to protect your funds and personal information. First, the easiest way to deactivate your PAYONEER card is to log into your PAYONEER account on the website or through the app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings or Card Management section. In the Settings menu, look for the Customer Information section and click on it. Here, you'll see various options related to your account. Scroll down until you find the Deactivate Card option. Click on that, and PAYONEER will guide you through the deactivation process. There might be a few questions to confirm your identity, so just follow the prompts. Once you've confirmed, your card will be deactivated. Keep in mind that this doesn't delete your PAYONEER account, it simply disables the card. If you need to reactivate it later, you can do so through customer support. And that's it, super simple.